Hello friends, welcome to how to convert .py to .exe tutorial. You all must have made many Python projects and applications, but you must not be knowing how to convert those Python programs into an exe file. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to convert it. For understanding this, we are gonna use our NoteKeeper program that we made in this video uh, just a few weeks ago. So this is how, firstly, let's see how it works. NoteKeeper, it's an application that we made using tkinter Python library. So we will convert this Python program into an exe file. For doing that, we simply need a Python library, PyInstaller. So if you are using PyCharm, you can just simply search PyInstaller and then install the package. So this one, PyInstaller, we have to just install the package. If you are not using PyCharm, then you can simply go to the terminal and insert the pip command, pip install PyInstaller. Simple. And since our download is complete, it will show requirements already satisfied. So now write this particular command that I'm going to write: PyInstaller hyphen one file, and then the Python program name, that is, here it's notes.py. So I made a mistake in the library name. It should be PyInstaller. S is missing. PyInstaller and hit enter. As you hit enter, the process begins. The library starts converting our .py file into an exe file. It will take some time. Here our conversion is complete. So you can see in the root directory that a distribution dist folder has been made. So inside that we have our node.exe. Let's open it. So when we open, inside we have this notes.exe file. So we can run it by double clicking. A cmd prompt will open up first, and then our application, means NoteKeeper, will open. So let's see if it's working fine. Note, new note 1, add note. Okay, new note 2, add note. So yeah, it's working well. Now if you don't want that CMD should open, means you don't have any application of printing any statements in the CMD, then what you can do is you can add one extra parameter inside our one line command of the PyInstaller. What you can do is, let's first delete this and go back to our PyCharm. If you don't want that command prompt to open and you just simply want your application to open directly, so what you can do is you can write this command: PyInstaller hyphen one file hyphen no console, and then file name, no console space notes.py. This hyphen no console will make sure that the CMD doesn't open and directly our main program, our main file. Oh, I made a spelling mistake in the file name. It should be notes.py. Okay, the process has begun. So soon, yeah, completed successfully messages has come. So in the distribution, again, the distribution folder will be created and notes.exe will be there. So let's open in File Explorer, double clicking it. See, our notes keeper application has opened up and command prompt has not. So directly our application is open. So yeah, let's see if it's working. It's good. Note 1, Note 2, Note 3, delete, and see notes.csv file has also been formed. Note 2 was deleted, so Note 1 and Note 3 is there. So yeah, it's working well. So this is how we can convert our .py file into an exe file. Thank you. Thanks for watching.